Yo, good morning guys. It is already almost 9 o'clock and I just finished my coffee actually, and at the moment I'm watching a YouTube video about video editing, and now I'm preparing my breakfast. Reheating the rice, and I didn't finish the salmon last night. I'm going to cook it and make more with this bok choy. That salmon is expensive, $8. But of course, if you buy it cooked in the restaurant, that is probably about $30. La Oliva. I just need to adjust the taste. The only seasoning that I put is fish sauce. Still missing some salt. That salmon has a bone. I still need some salt. The saltiness of the fish sauce is not enough. That's it. I'm going to switch it off. That's it. And this is my breakfast. A lot of rice and this. It is now already 10 minutes to 5 o'clock. The sun just set down actually. And it's good that I was not tempted to go out, because for sure I will be spending money again if I go out to buy something or to eat something. Now I'm preparing my dinner. This is going to be fried rice. This is just corn, carrots, and green peas. Sometimes I make fried rice in the breakfast buffet, and if there are some leftover, I stop eat that fried rice. I also eat. This is too dark because this is mushroom flavor. Soy sauce. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 10. Actually 30 minutes to 10 o'clock. Let me switch off the light first. I already took a shower, but I'm still wearing the same sweater because it is cold. The temperature is less than 20, maybe 11. I just cooked the rice and it's ready. I just reheat this vegetable base sausage curry. I don't like, but I'm just getting the sauce and the potato, not the fake meat. Actually, we take one fake meat. I think this sausage, vegetable sausage, is good when it's fry or grill, but not in a curry like this. It is now 12 o'clock. 12:03. And we're going out now. Just making a coffee. And I just came from Bunnings warehouse. I bought this Gorilla spray adhesive, heavy duty. It works for metal and fabric, paper, wood, plastic, cardboard, foam, etc. This is $22. And I also bought this white bread with sausage, mustard, and onion. From that volunteering group. Basically, they are an organization or group here in the area of Port Stephens, and they are doing that kind of a charity. Volunteering kinds. I don't know. Actually, they are different organization, not always them. And mostly they are older people. Very nice. I'm going to eat it here. and then we're going home maybe. I'm actually not hungry, but I just feel like eating. And we are now here in Woolworth. I actually found this 4-pack of coconut water, $10, 1 box, and it is produced in the Philippines. I like it. You know, when I was a kid, our house is surrounded by coconut. I was about 7 below years old during the time, and we always have a chance to drink coconut water from the tree, fresh. We are home, and this is actually what I bought. This kind of fabric, the metal parts, I am going to cover it with this. You know, this one is kind of reversible. I don't know which one is the right side. I bought it because of this color, but looks like this is the actual front. Look at this. Going to put this back now. And because of this that I am installing, I needed to remove this. I spent money for this and time, but it's okay. This is actually the reason why I put just Velcro, so that it's removable. And I partially put it already. I just need to remove this. Good morning, guys. This is what I finished yesterday. Look at that. I put too much glue. Not good. I will continue it today. And this is the difficult part. I cannot make it perfect. Also this, every corner, because of the different curves. I'll continue it later because I'm uploading video actually. It is already 5:05. I didn't finish the putting of a carpet on my van on the wall. Tomorrow for sure will be finished and I will show it to you. There are so many glue on my hand. And I'm going to prepare my meal. I have the rice ready. This is what I'm going to eat. Just bok choy with onion and tomato. As in just this. Actually, I'm going to check first. I remember when I was a kid. Because when I was a kid, we have a garden. And my parents usually have bok choy and cosletos maybe. And if I'm not mistaken, they are cooking it with just onion, garlic, the bok choy, or I'm going to check. Mostly are with meat and other ingredients. I don't have any. I have just this. I still have this, but I don't like it anymore. Shower, and now I'm ready to eat. How is the taste of this? Let's check the taste. No salt. Food salt. I don't know any food, cooked food, that is delicious without any salt. This much of rice. And this is my dinner. Just this. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 15 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, this morning I finished putting the carpet on my van. I mean the wall of my van. And while doing that, I was also waiting for my passport. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's color blue. And at the back, there is, and then the pages contains different beautiful places here in Australia. When you open it, you're going to see this is the first page. There's the coat of arms. And then the first page is like a credit card. Yeah, you'll see there is my picture. So basically these are forms of security and authenticity. And then if you open the next page, that is all my details. And that is actually the reason why I didn't able to go for a road trip. Yeah, it's been 5 days now. Yeah, this morning after getting that passport, I checked for a cheap flight to the Philippines. But yeah, everything are expensive. Yeah, the cheapest is over $1,000. And that is expensive for me. Because I know there are some promotion that is just about 600, but yeah, must be booked in advance. Okay, I'm going out.